Welcome back to digital class, and now we're looking at the topic of solid figures and nets, and now we're looking especially on the drawing on grids. Now, I just want to introduce to you two different grids that you'll be seeing quite often. The main point is actually this isometric grid, because this is a grid that I think you kind of never really seen it before. Okay, let's introduce this one first. Okay, square grid. Square grid, in simple terms, if you connect a line, as you can see, it's like a square, right? So all these things are a square. So this is called square grid. And square grid, we are usually using it to draw 2D shapes, mainly. We just mainly draw 2D shapes, okay? Because it's very good, right, in drawing like a square or maybe like a triangle, a rectangle. All these things is actually simpler, okay? But isometric grid is actually mainly, I use the word mainly because it's not only limited to, but we mainly draw 3D shapes, which you'll be seeing something like this, as you can see, right? This is isometric grids, but now you can see that I have drawn a square in it, okay? A square, a cube in it, sorry, use the wrong word, cube in it, okay? Yeah, as you can see. And sometimes, although mainly for 3D shape, but sometimes we also use it to draw something like parallelogram, trapezium, all these things, which you will learn a bit more later. Yeah. So just to let you know, the 2D shapes and 3D shapes in these two different grid. Okay. Now, what happened is that probably you'll be exploring in drawing all these things. And for example, let me just zoom in a bit more. Square grid, right? You need to understand this. Okay, let me just do a bit clearer explanation here. Now, this is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. Means that all left, like going like this horizontally, vertically, are actually 1 unit. 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. But if going diagonally like this, is it 1 unit? It's not a 1 unit. Okay? In this case, this is wrong. Okay? This is correct. This is correct. So please be very careful. Square grid means horizontally, vertically is 1 unit. But in isometric grid, interestingly, vertical, diagonal, like this, all are actually 1 unit. Okay? That is the special thing about isometric grid. There's no horizontal, so don't do like this. But like this, like this, like this are all 1 unit. And just a reminder that 1 unit does not necessarily means 1 cm in this case. Does not necessary. Okay? It can be true, can be true, can be false. Okay? So if, example, if this question says what? 1 unit is 1 cm, then you can, okay, this is 1 unit to 1 cm. But if the question did not say that, then you don't assume that. Okay? So far, so good. Now, and one more thing to remind you, as I mentioned, from here to this point is 1 unit. And you should notice that 1 unit actually have 2 points. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 3 dots, 3 points. 1, 2 is 2 unit. So have 3 points. So please be careful when you are drawing, because some students, they will confuse. They thought connecting 2 dots is 2 unit. No. Connecting 2 dots, 2 points is actually 1 unit. So one line in a way is actually that 1 unit. Okay? So I hope you understand this, and when you practice drawing the grids, I hope that you will get this idea better. Okay? Thank you, and thank you. See you. Bye bye.